Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your Earbuds EARFUN Air 2 on your iPhone. So basically we have two options how to check it. The first one is to create a widget. So you need to press and hold the empty space, then click Edit at the left top and Add Widget. Now scroll down and you need to find batteries, and right here we have it. You can you need to click at this line, or you can click at the search line and write batteries here and click here. It's the same. So right here we have 3 presets. Select the best one for you and then click Add Widget. And you can check the battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your headphones turn on and connected to your phone. But the problem is, right here we have a general battery percentages. If you want to check it for the left and right earbuds, you need to use an application, and this one is the second method. You need to open EARFUN Audio app, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then you will see them at the device list, tap at your earbuds, and right here we have the battery level for the left and right earbuds and also for the charging case. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!